Hello, welcome to All in the Game. I'm Nupur and I have Pradyut and
Hi.
Ramya with me today for a quiz of word chain. Are you guys ready to play the word chain game?
Yes, we are ready.
Yeah, okay. So Pradyut is all into for the game. Let's see how he fares in today. So all of you know what word chain is. They know what word chain is. We are just going to start playing the game. Alright. Your word chain for today is, the first word is ninja.
Turtle.
Ooh, everybody's favorite, huh? At least at one point when we were kids.
Ninja turtle.
Okay,
Ah.
turtle
Neck.
neck. Nice. Okay. Okay, neck.
Neck deep.
Deep.
Ooh, yeah, they're
very
making a
good.
good team. Where Ramya stops, Pradyut is starting
Neck
off.
deep.
Yes,
Ah.
deep.
Deep.
Water.
Perfect.
Deep water.
Ooh, these guys are fast. I think they're going to finish it off really fast. Okay, water.
Water. This is very difficult. Because water.
Deep water.
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 She put nazar.
Did I? No.
Water.
Okay, let me give you a clue for this one. This is something you might find in a water park.
Slide.
Water slide.
Yes, slide it is. Water slide. Okay, what goes next? This one's simple. Isn't it, guys?
Slide. Slide. Step. No.
No.
I
Not
think
step.
step,
No.
but, Slide.
Something we do on a computer.
Surf.
Surf is a good one though. Didn't think of that. Okay. Okay.
There's nothing called
Slide
slides.
show.
Exactly. I was just
Slideshow.
going to come something we do in a presentation, but then yes, he got it. Slideshow. What could be the next one?
Show time.
Perfect. Showtime.
Time travel.
Ooh, yes, time travel it is. And what's the last one? Come on.
Airway.
Hey, travel airway. No.
Travel around.
Travel around. That's also
Hey.
nice. No, but that's not the answer I'm looking for. No. Something.
Wait.
Okay.
Give us a chance.
Okay. Let's give them a chance.
Travel always.
That's why I said give more chance. More content.
Travel around, no. Travel always, no. Although we want to travel always, but no. What else could it be? Too many answers, giving me more ideas.
But what is the right one?
Yeah. You gotta think of it. I can give you a clue though, but Ramya said, no, wait, so I'm waiting.
Okay, now you give.
Okay, so like you said, travel always or travel around. This is something we get help from for traveling always or around.
Assist.
No.
Travel? Sorry, help?
Assistance. I mean, they help us in traveling around. What is that?
Agent.
Agent is a 5-letter word. This is a 6-letter word. So
Agents.
No. Where are the agents found? Or what? Who do the agents work for?
Agency.
Agents. Oh my god.
All the travel agents also could have been right, but yes, travel agency is it. So we had travel around, travel always, travel agents, and finally ended up with agency, which is the correct answer. So yes, we have completed this word chain quiz. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'm sure they both did because they came
Yes,
up
it was
with
a good one.
multiple answers. Okay, starting from ninja, ending with the agency. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and stay updated on all our latest quizzes and videos. Until then, I'll see you soon with Pradyut and Ramya in another quiz. See you soon. Bye.